All right, guys, so today I wanted to do a quick review on this awesome chair mat that I have. One of the things I wanted to point out is it doesn't come in like all bundled up. It literally comes in a very nice box, exactly as you see it here. This is perfect for just about any type of floor, but even better for like I work from home. So like I literally have carpet here, and behind me I have like my office, like gaming chair and my desk. It's like that chair rarely ever gets to move. This is about to be a game changer. The material, really nice. It's got a protective film out here. It's just clear. I'm gonna keep it in here. I kind of like the way it looks. If the protective film starts to become an issue, I'll take it off. But for right now, I kind of just want to use it as is to kind of test it out. I'm super excited, so let's put it on there. All right, I went ahead and put it on the bottom. And as you can see, like, look how easily this will slide around now. This is going to be a complete game changer for me. Like I said, I do work from home, so you can see it is on carpet. I wasn't able to move as freely as now with this chair mat. So if you're looking for a great chair mat, this one right here, highly recommend, is a 10 out of 10.